Hello everybody, in this video we will learn about switch statements, and switch statements are quite smooth, or you can say more efficient statements as compared to if-else statements. If we have multiple if-else statements in our code, the code becomes mess up, so we use switch statement in that case. Let's create one example here, and we will create public variable one int, and we will say fail, and we will assign the number to 0. So you can assume that fail is one condition, and then we can assign another variable, and we will say it pass, and we will assign value of 1, and then we will assign another variable named top, and we will assign it number 2. So now 3 variables are added here, and now we want to add some if-else statement. So for example, here if we we will add another variable called public int current score, for example, and then we will in start we will say current score equal to fail. Okay, now in update method we can also randomize these this current score, and we can just we will make it random, not fail. We will say random dot range, and we can call it 0, 3, because we have 3 numbers. Okay, 1 2 3, so we will add 0 to 3. So now in update method we will write if current score equal to fail, then what will happen? So we will say debug.log you failed, and similarly we will repeat the condition. So let's copy this and paste it, and we will write this else if current score is pass, then you post, and last one will be else if top, and you topped. And then one more statement, which is the last else statement, and we can say it debug.log invalid. So this is example of if-else statement. So now in this case you can see that code is quite mess up, and we are repeating else if statements again and again. So for making this code smooth, we can create switch statements. So in switch statements, similarly like if statement, we will write switch. Okay, and then in after switch we will make the different cases inside this switch statement. Also So in switch statement here we will add current score that we want to include, and here we will make the case. So we will start with case 0, and then we will say that we can make it like this, and this after in case 0 we will just write this debug.log, copy and paste, and then after the condition we will make it break. Okay, so after every case we have to break that case as well. Okay, so this is a style of cases switch statement. So we will copy this selection and then we will paste it. Sorry, okay, we didn't copied. Paste it, and then case 1 you passed, and then we will make case 2 which will be you topped, and then we will make the final case. And for final case, like else, in if else statement we place else, in switch statement we will place default, and then we will say invalid selection. So now you can see that how easy it is, sorry, not this case 0, how easy it is to implement switch statements. And now we are this switch statements shows quite good as compared to this if statement. So we can just comment this if statement, and now we can test this thing inside editor. Okay, so let's go to Unity editor, and here you can see fail, pass, top and current score. And if we play the game in console, hopefully we will get some random value. You can see you failed. Okay, because it has selected random values. So for example, if we want to randomize these numbers again and again, we can put one if statement here. So for that purpose we can just add one if statement. After switch statement we will add if statement, and we will say input dot get key down, and we will say key code dot space, and on space we want to randomize the figures again. So we will say current score equal to random dot range zero to 3. So now whenever we will press space key, it will randomize the numbers, and this space spelling, I think it should be capital S. So we will save the game, save the script, and then let's test this thing inside editor. So we'll play the game, and you can see now we have result you failed. So if we press space, now you can see it's randomized and new score is you topped. So again we will press you failed and you topped like this, and you passed. So now you can see that our result is randomizing, just like if else statement. So that's it for introduction of switch statements. In next video we will move further. Goodbye.